With the first interest rate hike decision, gold has achieved all-time high levels at 2085 with the market open today and has retraced and filled the gap till 2040. Now, silver too has shied away from $26 as of now and still trading at 25.80. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can join my free telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels. Let's start. Now see, first of all, gold has given a gap up, achieved all-time highs and have retraced since then. Now see, it has filled the gap here. It is trying to still trade with indecision. Now if it stays below 2040 again, you can sell there and expect that we are going to look at 2036 and 2028 levels. Now remember, it can give you equally big red candle taking it till towards 2028. It may erase all the gains from what it has achieved till now. So yes, you can sell here at 2040, expect 2036, 2028 levels, and in fact 2020 also to get achieved. See, the rally started from here and this was a phase of consolidation. We have seen a good rise. It can probably retrace again. Any move below 2020 should be a bearish indication. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. RSI very near to overbought zone. And if you look at 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts, one thing you must note here is it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Any move beyond 2055 is the only level beyond which I will recommend you to buy. Till it stays below 2055, do not buy gold today. And in fact 2060 is the level beyond which only further bullishness will be confirmed. Stochastic dropped. The MACD trying to converge crossover. It is already at a higher level on 2 hour chart. See, this is the extremes, and whenever it is achieved the extremes, it tries to always retrace. RSI was also overbought, now trying to come back to the normal zone. Likewise on the 3 hour charts. Now look at 3 hour charts here. See, on the 3 hour charts, flat top, first red candle, second red candle. So yes, once it stays above 2055, there is a possibility that beyond that we might see a rise. And in fact, see, it may try to go green, but only chance of it to rise beyond 2050 exists. However, I will not confirm this as bullish. Once it is beyond 2060, then only the bullishness is confirmed. If you look at the charts here, see what it may try to do. It can try to complete the journey till here, the engulfing till here, that is 2028, 2030 zone. And if the next candle appears, then possibility exists that it can try to go below 2020. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD is extremely high level trying to converge here. RSI near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, now see the 4 hour charts, a strong single bullish candle there with the market open today. And if you see the flat top, there is a possibility that second red candle may appear, which might erase the gains here or at least give you higher lows. Higher lows, which means 2028, 2024 levels might get achieved if it continues to stay below 2040. So you can sell here. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is still bullish here, and RSI is also overbought. Now look at the daily. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, two bullish candles, higher highs, higher lows. Now support, if you look at the support, is going to come back at around 2028, 2024 till 2020. There is going to be very good support here. Only and only if it stays below 2020, you can expect that it is trying to erase the gains and it is going to turn bearish from there. Stochastic, see previously 2020 was the level which I told you that beyond that there is a possibility that it is going to achieve higher highs, because see 2020 was the level which I was looking forward to. We had been talking about this since long. Now 2020 is the level again we will be looking forward to, but now this time as a support. Stochastic near to overbought. See, the MACD has crossed over on the daily charts and this is a bullish cross. It is trying to trade with little divergence. RSI is also trading near to the top. So right now it is looking downwards. Now see, what it is trying to do here is it is trying to retrace. It is trying to form a tail for the day. Now forming a tail for the day, yes, we have long trading hours left ahead in front of us. It can show you a pullback. Try to consolidate, cool down the indicators, and any point of time once it stays beyond 2060, do remember that there is always a possibility of it to get pullback. Till the time it stays above 2020, there is a strong possibility of getting a pullback. Hence for now you can sell at 2040. Expect 2036, 2028, 2024, 2020 levels as a good support zone. Only below 2020 we will expect it to trade bearish. At the same time, a buy entry above 2055 can be taken, but then 2060 is the level I will wait for it to break past. By beyond 2060, again 2075, 2085, and then 2100 levels can also be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch now starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. The base here, with the base, it is trading bullish. It is trading in this channel. This time it is fairly restrained itself from achieving the highs, that is at $26 levels. Now trying to look back, remember once it stays below 2550, now 2550 was the level earlier which had given it a very good support. Now 2550 is the level below which only further bearishness will be expected. Till it stays above 2550, bearishness should be restrictive in nature. I don't find it to, that should be a retracement, not a reversal. Now also see on the hourly chart, see previous candle was indecision. Let it break below 2575 levels and then 2565 levels. If these two are taken, then only further bearishness will be expected. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought, and hence chances of it to retrace exist. If you look at the 2-hour charts, now see 2540, 2550 is the level we should watch out for today. And yes, you can sell here at 2575, expect 2565 levels, and below which further bearishness for 2560, 2550, 2540 levels to be seen. Now remember 2540, 2560 zone, which I told you that it is a very good resistance zone. It is breached past this zone. Now this zone is going to be the support levels. Only and only if it breaches below this zone, it is to be considered bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish here. It is achieved extreme highs. The RSI is also looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. Likewise on the 3-hour chart. Now look at the 3-hour chart. And if you look at the formation, see one bullish candle, retracement, then second bullish formation. There is a possibility of a retracement. It may try to create something like this, and then 2540 again will prove out to be a good support by this also. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, see double bottom, one bullish candle, second bullish candle. Now look at the size of the candle. The body size of this candle is very small compared to what we had seen earlier. This means that the bullishness is certainly diminished here. It also suggests that from here a little pullback cannot be denied, and hence once you see it trading below 2575, you can sell. However, 2565, 2560 levels, and then 2550, 40 till 2540, do not consider this as a reversal, and only below this. In fact, I will say my next is extreme support zone, that is 2520. That is the next level which I will be looking forward to. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought here too. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, two big bullish candles here. Then this day has also started in green. It has achieved the highs, but it may try to restrict itself from breaking past 26. However, right now it is trading bullish, but could show you swings between 2550 to 26 itself. That is what is my expectation. The day is long, and hence you need to take profit both ways. If it drops, you have to take a sell entry, and once it starts to reversal, you can try to buy from there. On the daily charts, stochastic is again looking up. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover here for a buy. RSI is also looking upward. So considering this, you can sell here at 2575, expect 2565, 60 levels first support, and then 5040 is the next support below 2550. Till 2520, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Till 2520, it is not a reversal, it is just a retracement. Once it breaches below 2520, then only it should be considered bearish. At the same time, you can buy here at 2595 levels, and rather I will say you can buy here at 2590, but then remember 26 and 2610, these two levels it needs to break past. By beyond that, silver is going to give you a very good bullish move. It is still trading bullish, and once it stays below 26, 2610, it is going to fly high. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember one fact, news can bring volatility. It is already did so. Today, once see the when the market started today, it has given good swings and raised the gains so far. Now I will wait for the US session, how the US market reacts, though it is already done yesterday, but there could be further development and hence there will be further volatility with the US session, and hence you should trade with the caution, strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.